Hello Data family, how are you all? So let's achieve our goal this year by learning and growing every day. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all the free resources of Excel which can help you on your data analyst journey. So let's start the video. So the first resource here is Learn with Elen. You can check out his YouTube videos. Here he has created the playlist for Excel tips and tricks, transform data into dashboards, then week 1, week 2 of Microsoft Excel, case studies of Microsoft Excels, and many more. So here you can check out his channel. Then the next resource is you can check out this video by Analytics Vidhya, the Excel full course in 2 hours, Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginner. And the next resource is the free code camp Microsoft Excel tutorial for beginners. The video is of 2 hours 26 minutes and it is good to start with Excel if you are a beginner. The next resource is of Chandoo. You can check out his videos of Excels, like he has videos of 4 essential Excel skills, then XLOOKUP and how to build an advanced Excel chart, then create pivot tables and Python in Excel and many more. Then the next resource is you can check out this video by WsCube Tech, the Excel full course for data analysis with projects. The video is of 2 hours 45 minutes. You can check out this video also. And along with that, I have some resources or PDFs of Excels, like this is the first PDF in which there are 101 Excel functions. Then the next PDF is of Excel formulas cheat sheet. Here you can get all the Excel formulas and their definitions. The next is the Excel guide for professionals. Here you will get all the shortcuts of Excel, keyboard shortcuts of Excel. So if you want these PDFs, you can comment below. I'll provide you with these PDFs. I'll provide all the links to these channels which I have shared today in the description box. You can check out there. So yeah, that's all for today, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope these resources will be helpful to each one of you, and so yeah, stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.